Welcome to Mystery Curtain, where we don't just unbox gadgets, we uncover their hidden potential. Today, we'll dive deep into the features of the latest tech. Hands-on with the Marshall Major 5 Midnight Blue, a new color, a new style, and a fresh listening experience. Priced at around $170, the Marshall Major 5 in Midnight Blue introduces a sleek and modern aesthetic while keeping the legendary Marshall sound alive. From the moment you unbox it, the headphones exude the premium design language Marshall is known for, combining artistry, elegance, and practicality in one cohesive package. The retail box is carefully crafted, featuring artistic prints of the product, and all the essential specifications laid out in a clear, user-friendly manner. Inside, everything is neatly arranged: a detailed user manual, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and a 3.5mm audio cable that is long enough to provide comfort without unnecessary clutter. Marshall continues to stand out by paying attention not only to performance but also to the presentation. And this particular model is no exception. The design of the Major 5 reflects Marshall's signature vintage-inspired identity, with the headband wrapped in premium leather textured with bold grains, giving the headphones a sturdy yet elegant presence. The instantly recognizable Marshall logo adorns both earcups as a classy emblem of rock heritage. What sets the Midnight Blue edition apart from earlier models is its deep, glossy blue color that exudes character and modern sophistication. The tone shimmers subtly with metallic undertones under lighting, striking a balance between timeless vintage charm and a contemporary finish. The headband is not just about looks, its interior is padded with soft leather to reduce strain on the head, making long listening sessions more enjoyable. The foldable design also ensures portability, allowing users to carry the headphones with ease during travel or daily commutes. Marshall has engineered the earcups to be adjustable, adapting to various head sizes to create a snug yet comfortable fit. The physical buttons and ports, including a streamlined USB-C connector and a traditional 3.5mm jack, are placed in convenient positions for intuitive use. Adding to its user-friendly features, the Major 5 includes the classic multifunctional Marshall button, which can be customized for different tasks such as launching Spotify, adjusting EQ settings, or activating a voice assistant with a single press. This flexibility makes the listening experience more personal and seamless. Sound has always been Marshall's greatest strength, and the Major 5 continues that tradition with its energetic, V-shaped sound signature. The bass is punchy and resonant, the mids are clear, and the treble sparkles with detail, making it especially well-suited for rock, pop, and other dynamic genres. The audio has been tuned to deliver the bold, lively character that fans expect from Marshall, while advanced drivers reduce distortion even at higher volumes, ensuring clarity across the spectrum. Whether listening to subtle acoustic tracks or high-energy anthems, the Major 5 brings music to life with vibrancy and balance. On the technical side, the headphones come equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 audio, offering a reliable, wireless connection with low latency and high fidelity. Users can connect quickly to smartphones, tablets, or PCs, while the dedicated Marshall app expands functionality, allowing personalized EQ adjustments, firmware updates, and custom control mapping. The integrated microphone also performs well in noisy environments, filtering out background noise to deliver clear calls, even in bustling streets or crowded workplaces. The ability to seamlessly switch between wireless and wired modes adds to the versatility, letting users enjoy music wirelessly on the go, or plug in with the 3.5mm cable for zero-latency listening when needed. Perhaps the most remarkable improvement in the Major 5 is its exceptional battery life. With over 100 hours of continuous playback, it surpasses the already impressive 80 hours of its predecessor, the Major 4. This makes it a reliable companion for extended trips, long commutes, or heavy daily use without the constant worry of charging. To further enhance convenience, The Major 5 supports wireless charging. Simply placing the headphones on a charging pad replenishes the battery effortlessly. For those who prefer traditional charging, the USB-C port is always available, ensuring flexibility in all circumstances. In conclusion, the Marshall Major 5 Midnight Blue successfully combines classic design elements with modern upgrades, both visually and technically. The new color option gives it a fresh identity, while features like Bluetooth 5.3, wireless charging, and marathon-level battery endurance ensure it stands tall against contemporary competition. At $170, it is positioned as a stylish, yet practical choice for those who value not only high-quality sound but also aesthetics and user convenience. The Marshall Major 5 is not just another pair of headphones, it is a statement of individuality, heritage, and innovation all rolled into one.